Let's take a look at this chain fidget toy. This costs around 50 rupees or 80 cents or so. It's a fidget toy that's quite simple. I think that's how you're supposed to do it. Not as satisfying as other fidget toys. You can fidget with it though. Maybe one advantage is that you can easily pass this off as a keychain, and these are regular rings, so you can even put a key on it and remove it when you want to fidget with it. Interesting though. I've been wondering about these since I saw them on Shark Tank. Quite interesting though. Quite nice. Check it out.